Hi, I'm Gilbertie, and I'm going to be doing some cooking today with our microgreens. The first one I'm going to do is a microgreen omelet. Once you have a microgreen omelet, you will never cook eggs any other way. So we're going to do this with our own eggs from our own chickens, and we're going to do it with a little garlic and with our own microgreens, of course. And of course the garlic is our own too. My omelet is pretty easy. Basically, I'm going to do a 3-egg omelet, but you could do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever you need. I learned this a long time ago about adding either water or milk with your omelet. It loosens it up and it actually raises it up when you're cooking it. So I'm going to put a little milk with it. If you're lactose intolerant, you can use water. And I just use 3 of a half shell. You can use, tablespoon for this, but got the shell here, you might as well use it. And you just put those in and you start whipping them up. And then I'm going to chop up a little garlic in it. There's always like a little garlic, but you don't have to put garlic if you don't want to. This is our own garlic, by the way, organic garlic. It's the hardneck garlic, which is called Music. And we raise a lot of garlic here at the farm. Some sea salt. And some ground pepper. So this is ready to go into the frying pan. Our butter is about melted in here. So, and the burner's at medium high heat. And we're ready to throw in our eggs. It's all beat up really good. And we're pouring that in. It fits in perfectly with this pan. That's why I like to use this pan. So now it's time to put the microgreens in. I'm going to use the Mediterranean blend, which has some beets in it, some mustard, we're using a half of a container, which is just about an ounce, because there's 2 ounces in a container. And now it's time to turn it. See, oh, look how perfect it looks. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Now, I'm not as good as a chef in a restaurant, but this ain't bad. Is that pretty or what? Not only is it pretty, but it is delicious. This is the best omelet in the entire world, ever. Oh, it's like heaven.